As part of relentless protests erupting in different parts of Manipur, hundreds of people are participating in what they called as rally hunger strikes, where they are taking turns on rooster basis for the last 6 days at Uripok in Imphal West district. Participants are demanding justice for the women and children killed in Jirbam district some days back. Despite the case being handed over to the NIA, the hunger strikers say they have lost faith on the authorities. The participants say they will continue to help protests as the deteriorating law and order situation has left people in the state where they have no option but to come out on the streets. Meanwhile, with the relaxation of curfew for few hours in Imphal, people flocked to marketplaces to buy their essentials. Internet suspension continues in Valley districts and protests demonstrations have become a day-to-day affair.
और आप लोग क्या कर रही है, मतलब कौन सा प्रोटेस्ट है, किस लिए कर रही है बताइए।
ये प्रोटेस्ट असल में जो जिरीबाम में जो डेड बॉडीज मिला है वो 6 लोगों का, औरत बच्चे और डेड बॉडीज मिला है, उसके अगेंस्ट दैट।
तो किस तरह का प्रोटेस्ट है ये, हंगर स्ट्राइक है, क्या है
ये वी कॉल इट रिले हंगर स्ट्राइक. So altogether, this Uripok Apunbaluk and Uripok Nupi Apunbaluk is an independent body only for Uripok Kendra. It's comprised of 54 Maira loops and 47 clubs, and we are doing a relay hunger strike. We are making the 24 hours into 6, and you can see over there. So we are making a feast of, say, it's called relay hunger strike.
So for how many days this hunger strike is taking place?
We have started it from the 16th of this month, 16th of November, from the evening, and today is the 6th day.
What is your demand?
Our demand is we want the culprit involved in the killing of the 6 innocent people in Jiribam, and very harsh punishment should be given to them, because these women and children, they are totally not involved in the war. They are in their domestic places. They have been picked up from their places. They have been killed brutally in the name of the war, and this is a very inhuman act. And most they have killed them in a very inhuman act. And even this little children are there. So we want the culprits to be punished in an appropriate way, and we are asking the Prime Minister, so what is the meaning of his Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme? Is it not applied in Manipur? Is Manipur not a part of India? So what is the meaning of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao? If women and children, the small children are being killed in the name of war, they are not involved in the war. They are in their domestic places, in their domestic living. So they have been killed brutally. So, and we are not seeing any actions being taken up. It's almost 6 days. So we want an action to be taken. Until and unless actions have been taken or they have been given a punishment, we the people of Uripok will continue with our agitation, with our demand.
So you said you people have started this agitation since last 6 days. So in the meanwhile, is there any communication with the authority concerned?
No, we are not getting any answer from the authority. We are not getting answer till now. We will continue until our demand. We didn't get the answer to our demand. No, we are not getting any such information.